Introduction to Syncing Notion and Airtable.
Keeping your Notion and Airtable data in sync can save time and reduce errors. Unito is a powerful tool that allows you to automate this process without manual copy-pasting. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up a Unito workflow to keep your Notion and Airtable databases updated automatically.
What you need before starting.
Before syncing your data, make sure you have accounts for Notion, Airtable, and Unito. You'll also need the right permissions to access and edit the databases or tables you want to connect. Confirm that your Notion and Airtable workspaces have the content ready for synchronization.
Connecting Notion and Airtable to Unito.
Begin by logging into Unito and connecting both Notion and Airtable. In the Unito dashboard, add them as integrations. You'll be prompted to grant Unito permission to access your selected pages in Notion and your chosen bases in Airtable. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize securely.
Setting up your Unito workflow.
Now, create a new Unito workflow. Select the Notion database and the Airtable table you want to sync. Customize your workflow by choosing which fields or columns you wish to match between the two apps. Define the direction of the sync, one-way or two-way, depending on your needs.
Mapping fields and choosing rules.
Map each relevant field between Notion and Airtable to ensure smooth synchronization. You can also set up filters or rules in Unito to sync only certain items. For example, syncing only tasks marked as in progress. Take your time to match fields accurately for best results.
Starting and managing your sync.
After configuring your workflow, launch it in Unito. From now on, changes made in Notion or Airtable will automatically synchronize based on your settings. You can pause, update, or delete workflows at any time. This keeps your projects coordinated and eliminates duplicate data entry.
Tips for effective data syncing.
Review your workflows regularly to ensure optimal performance. Check for updates in Notion, Airtable, or Unito that could affect your setup. Make sure any new fields or tables are properly mapped and modify your workflows as your processes evolve. Efficient syncing leads to smoother workflows for your entire team.